Well, good day. Okay, I've come across some really creepy things discovering these cicadas. However, this has got to be the creepiest one of all. What in the world is going on here? I mean, his stuff is gone. I mean, really. I mean, I don't understand here. How, ay, ay, ay. You know, and it's probably in some kind of, I don't even know. I mean, this just puzzles me. This is nature. I mean, and I see all of the evidence of, this just massacre of all. That's why there's so many, is because their survivability, and I guess because they're so tasty. Daggone squirrels, man. They're carnivorous. I never knew. Very interesting. And very kind of scary too. Oh, son of a gun, I didn't even see that little sucker. I am so sorry that, man, I didn't have my glasses on. I didn't see you. I apologize. You startled me and I startled you. I mean, they're emerging now, and I did just help one little fellow somewhere up here, and honestly, it might even be that little flitter, this little fellow here. I might have. Come on, pal. I'm sorry. Let's try this again. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go back up the tree. There you go. All right. Yeah, because I carried him from over here, and his little wings are still pretty delicate. But this thing, I mean, this just puzzles me. I mean, this just... Well, I can't see. There you are. Yeah, that's just... Ay, ay, ay. Man, I'm just not sure what's happening here. Is this reflex? Because it's like it's still trying to get to the tree. I'm gonna test a thing here. Let's see if I can do this, maybe, so it'll hook onto me. All right, yeah, let's see if, oops, pardon. So sure enough, I think it is still trying to get to the top of the tree to instinctively do what it is supposed to do. I mean, even without all of its stuff, it is driven to... I mean, this is just incredible to me. I mean, the drive that has to... I mean, I don't think it has a chance, does it? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not as good as this fellow, but maybe. I don't know. What do you think? Well, until something wonderful. Talk soon. I love you.